Hi guys! So, as you know, I am a hair extension expert. I'm 32, I've been wearing hair extensions since I was 15, so let's not count up the years here. Anyway, my all-time favorite brand is always going to be Luxie Hair, as for now. You never know. New hair products are coming out like by the bazillions. But I wanted to buy the Halo hair, and I was browsing around on Prime, Amazon Prime. Oh my God, I'm such a blonde. And I found the synthetic halo hair for, you're not going to believe this, girlfriend, $12.99, free shipping because I'm a Prime member, and I was surprisingly happy with what I received. Now, this is something that I am not going to be wearing out on dates. Girl, I do not think that this would stay in the bedroom, if you know what I'm all saying. But I also do like webcam modeling and affiliate marketing and promotions from home. So there's times where I just want to flip in some cheap hair, get it done with. I'm not leaving the house, bada boom, bada bing, bada bing. And basically, let me show you how fast and easy it is to put this hair in. So I take my front part of my hair and I just twist, 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 tie it. Then I'm going to, right where my eyebrow line kind of starts, I go like that, and I pull the top half of my hair up. It doesn't matter if it's messy. And oh my gosh, I need 2 rubber bands. I'm going to take this one out. I can actually do this with no rubber bands, but since you guys are beginners, I just thought it'd be easier. So now that I've got my hair parted, it's got to be even. So pull this back a little bit. Parted like that. I'll show you guys back. And when you are brushing out this synthetic hair, I recommend using a wide tooth comb, and just lightly brushing it. And so, fish wire, halo. Here's the halo fish wire. Put it in just like that. Go like that. Take out the top part of my hair. Shake it out. Brush it out. And yeah. So usually takes me a minute. Oh my gosh. Somebody's calling me. Hey, let me call you right back. I'm filming a YouTube video. I will call you back in 2 minutes. Okay? Bye. All right. So, voila. Finishing results. I'm going to sit on this worthy chair so that I can do a 360 background. So here's the front. Here's the back. Wow. Ta-da. Now, they have lots of different colors. I ordered this in Platinum Blonde because I am a Platinum Blonde. Bleach Blonde was too yellow for me. I ordered it before and donated it to a friend. But this is the bomb. And I've spent upwards of $500 on extensions, clip-ins, and I never do glue-in, tape-in, all that. With the amount of fine hair I have, I'm not willing to risk a freaking strand falling out. And I've seen horror stories, even from the best Beverly Hills salon stylists. Like, so yeah, this is my go-to when I am maybe just going to the grocery store. Definitely wouldn't wear it out clubbing, dancing, things like that. But it's just cheap, easy, fun, and you really wouldn't be able to tell it's synthetic hair. I put a little bit of like dry shampoo in it, a little bit of glycerine spray, and that's it. And it's even easier to take out. But I do want to show you that it's not going to fall out. So I'm not a headbanger by any means, but okay. Headbang it up. Now, if I flip it, because it is called flipping hair, it might flip out. I don't know. Let's try it. Yeah, okay, so that didn't work too well. It flipped out. But you get what you pay for in life, and these don't hold a freaking candle flame to my Lexi hair extensions. But if you're on a budget, you just want to try something new, these are by Sarlo Hair. Amazon has 1,000,005 different brands, and I give them 5 stars out of 5 stars for the price, you know? And I'm super happy. I recommend everyone rush out. They have like 25 colors. They have ombre. They have all the good stuff. So it's a knockoff of the Harlow, Hairlow, whatever the hell hair. You see those girls at the mall, and they're just like, come here, free sample. And then they try and sell you these like products that they order in bulk overseas from China, and they probably spend like, you know, anywhere, depending upon if it's human hair or synthetic hair, $10 to $40 at the most, and that's for human hair because we all know it's horse hair, not really human hair. And they upcharge you by like, I don't know, 20% or more. So ladies, do your research and go get yourself some cheap ass flippin' hair. I totally love these. Alright guys, keep it glam, keep it classy, and subscribe to my channel. I know when I started this channel, it was just like a bunch of partying videos, but now I'm more into, I'm 32 years old. I'm into showing women my age that we can be hot, and we can use hair extensions and do all the things that like Kylie Jenner and that generation is doing, and you don't have to spend a fortune to look good. So I'm not affiliated with Amazon, but when I am, I'm going to be sure to post the links below. And if you ladies have any suggestions or topics or any kind of like hair products that you want me to try out and review, please drop a comment below, and I will most likely buy the product and review it and give you guys my honest thoughts. So for $12.99 with 2-day shipping, I feel like this is the best deal ever. They said that this was 22 inches of hair, but I can tell just by looking at it it's 18 inches, but I don't really care. I'm happy. Alright, loves. Till next time, keep it real, keep it classy, keep it glam.